What's going on, everybody? Josh Oakley here, back in the shop tonight. We're gonna try to get a few things done. Got some things going on, so let's see what we got going on. So we found out that our motor is sitting too far forward. As you can see, the transmission, the shifter is way forward on it. So what we got to do is we got to take the mount and cut this weld right here and move it. See where I got the marks? We got to move it where it sits like that on the back of the bell housing. We got to move it that flat part forward and in, so it'll let the motor go back. So that's the first thing we're going to be doing. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and install the drive shaft, and I got Diddy out there cutting those mounts, and he's going to bring them back in and I'll weld them up. So I'm going to go ahead and be putting this drive shaft in. Alright, so we got that motor mount cut loose, and I got it bolted back up on the motor here, but what I'm going to do is I got it fitted where I want it, and I'm going to tack it up and then take it back off and weld it up good. Ain't too bad for old jack leg weld on rig. Alright, Diesel, so what are we doing?
Alright, on this one we got to take this fan off of this old radiator and transfer it over onto our other one.
It's been patched up.
It's been patched because this one
has a big hole in it.
Right. I just saw it right here.
Yeah,
so
right
I
here.
come off the track and hit it right there.
And we got in that wreck. So that's what they're doing while I'm waiting on paint to dry. $5.16 on left 32. They gonna work? Yes.
You sit there and come on, there you're gonna be right behind. Pop it all the way.
Baby boy. Yep. We're going to have to stick this on like that. All right. Get on. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
ratchetry in.
Alright guys, I didn't get the video as much as I wanted to tonight, but that's going to do it for tonight. We got our motor mounts all fixed and everything buttoned back down there. Got a drive shaft in. We got the horns off and painted, and I had to actually cut that radiator mount off a little bit and raise it up some. Let's see, we got the radiator swapped out with the busted radiator. This radiator's been repaired. And got our new brackets made to this radiator, and but gotta have a hose, so I'll try to get that tomorrow because this hose we got is too short. So be back tomorrow night. See y'all again. All right, we're just getting in the shop. We're gonna see what we can get done today. We got Diesel and Daddy in here. See what they doing. What we doing here, Diesel?
We're trying to get this here hose. We got to extend the front radiator hose, so we got to take these reusable fittings loose and just make us a new hose for the front radiator.
All right. Oh, that looks good.
Just pulled it up if we used the 45 in here.
You actually come right here and put the zip tie on it.
Yeah. And then put a little piece of rubber hose right here.
That might be, you might have to turn it to the side. You got the saw?
Do what?
You got the saw?
Kenny Matt's coming too.
Yep. I might buy from it.
No, you can have it. I ain't buying it. You can have it.
No.
If I get there, it's gonna look like a piece of junk. I'm picking up that up. Well,
Does it? You did well, Marty.
You done well, Gracie. I can't take it long. I looked one day and sitting out behind the shop. Jumped it on. Spent $6 and bought a seal and put in the governor shed. Ordered two of them, $6 and cut two in the top. Took the motor off, what came with that? I said, that oil's not coming. Oh, how did that?
You need to get him some servos, little buttons and mashes. The cars coming in, I don't know much experience. They're driving too fast. All they need is run on that door right down the two big rollers.
Yep.
Put them against the wall.
Yep.
The whole one box no total right. You heard it on the video. And me and Sam were talking about on Christmas was, he says, you bought that place about, to what place? No, I ain't going back.
Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for tonight's video. Probably just go ahead and cut this video here, and we'll restart with a new video on Saturday. We'll be here all day Saturday. We didn't get as much done as we wanted to. We got a bunch of little piddly things done. Got both the radiator hoses made up and put on, and brake fan wiring hooked up. Just little stuff. We did put grease in the transmission, and little things like that. We got a big project going on the next couple of days, so we're not going to be in the shop, but we'll be back in here Saturday, and we're going to try to figure some things out and get a set of headers and an MSD box, and hopefully we can fire this motor off, and I'll probably start hanging the body on here Saturday also. So yeah, but thank y'all. Please subscribe if you haven't done it. The people that have subscribed, thank you very much, and please keep checking back, and we're going to be coming back with a lot more good content. I got a new camera on the way, so hopefully that'll help out. So we'll see you guys Saturday.